you sound, and I'm not being honest. Let's get back to that scene.
Let me just you guys. When I went to the market, for 5 days now, we've not had light.
I've never felt before. Now
They're trying to convert it to an Egusi floral. This month of May is going really fast. I think it's even faster than April. For me, I think it's faster than April. And then, you know, we started this May with public holidays. For 5 days now, we've not had light, like NEPA light. It's been only on it. Everybody has just been on in generator. There's noise everywhere. I don't know what's going on. NEPA people are not even saying anything. In fact, nobody is saying anything. The worst part is that the insecurity in Nigeria right now, and they are burning police stations. Imagine going out and not being sure of whether you're going to come back safe, not because of any natural cause, but because your fellow human being will decide if to kidnap, whether to kidnap you or not. Like, it's just appalling. These days, there's no nightlife anywhere around here anymore. These days, if you find yourself outside by 7 p.m, you will just be begging God to get home safely. Once it's 6 p.m, everybody's rushing home. Like, you see the rush. Before 9 p.m, people are still going about their normal businesses, doing whatever it is they're doing, or even hanging out at night. But these days, in fact, nobody will even agree to hang out around 7 p.m. Talk more of getting to 9 p.m. because everybody is scared for their life. In fact, nothing is certain in this country anymore. And then things are getting really expensive. Like, if you go to the market now, so what you bought 100 naira today, if you go back the next day, it's double the price. There is no day you watch the news that you not get angry. In fact, I don't know, I just think a lot has just been going on in Nigeria, but I know we shall survive it. We'll get through this. So now that I'm done ranting, let's start the vlog proper. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Onyinye. If this is your first time here, hi, welcome. I hope you stick around. Subscribe if you're a returning subscriber. Hello, thank you for coming back. Oh my god, my phone is. Stick around, subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification. If right now it's currently it's currently past 11 and I want to cook soup. I need to make egusi soup. You guys, I'm not really a fan of egusi, but every once in a while I try to incorporate it in a meal because my husband loves it. So I can go one full year without eating egusi soup and I'll totally be fine. I won't even remember that there's a soup like egusi. I actually need to go to the market. I'll be buying a few things, then when I come back I'll prep the whole thing. And there's this egusi soup recipe I saw on Sisiyemmie's channel. This is the recipe I'm going to be using, and yeah, that's basically it. I'm just going to show you guys whatever it is I get up to. I hope you subscribe to my channel. If you've watched up to this point, that means you like my content. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment in the comment section. You guys always watch, some people always watch and never comment. What is your reason for not commenting? Drop a comment in the comment section. Let's engage, okay? I'm back from the market. The meat is already on fire over there, as you can see. I'm not about to sleep inside this kitchen today because I'm cooking soup. I bought this dried fish. This is uziza. You guys, I never knew that you could use uziza to cook egusi soup. I learned that from that Sisiyemmie's video, which I'm going to leave in my description box. This is ugu leaves. Now, looking at these leaves, I think I bought too much. I don't know, when it's time to add it and it's too much, I'll have to reduce it because the vegetables are too much. I don't like, I'm not about to cook egusi vegetable. Then this is the egusi. I blended it with crayfish, so that's why it has this white and brown color. There's crayfish inside already, but I'm still going to add crayfish to the soup. I'm going to get to work now and start cooking. The church around our house, they always have their church session on Saturdays. So if you can hear any serious, we do like now. I think they're doing, is it Thanksgiving or something? So the noise is really loud. If you can hear it, because there's nothing I can do. Nigeria is full of plenty churches. So I'm just going to start cooking right now.
Oh yeah, I'm lost in this blue galaxy without you. Something keeps on holding me back now. Something keeps on dragging me down. I'm screaming but you can't hear a sound, and I'm not being honest. Let's get back to that song. Oh yeah, you make me feel something special, like something I've never felt before. Now I'm not the type to need somebody else, but I want you here by my side. Can you give me what I need? Cause I'm not sure if I can bleed no more out here on the dance floor. I'm obsessed with the way that you move. Now I got something to prove. 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 Thousands of beats. I don't know who you are or what you're doing here, but there you are, getting down next to me. Is this divine intervention? Can you explain why this moment is on fire? Come on and give me a blessing. I need you close, this is something I require. Can you give me what I need? Cause I'm not sure if I can bleed no more out here on the dance floor. I'm obsessed with the way that you move. Now I get something to prove. I got something to prove. I got something to prove. I got something to prove. You're holding on and I like it. You say I'm yours and you won't quit. Let's hit the road cause I want it. I might be up all night. You're holding on and I like it. You say I'm yours and you won't quit. Let's hit the road cause I want it. I might be up all night. Oh, I got something to prove. 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 Something keeps on holding me back now. Something keeps on dragging me down. I'm screaming but you can't hear a sound, and I'm not being honest. Let's get back to that song. Oh yeah, you make me feel something special, like something I've never felt before. Now I'm not the type to need somebody else, but I want you here by my side. Can you give me what I need? Cause I'm not sure if I can bleed no more out here on the dance floor. I'm obsessed with the way that you move. Now I got something to prove. 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 Are you an angel from heaven?
still on fire behind me. I'm waiting for the egusi to be done so that I will add the vegetable, because once I add the vegetables I'm offing the fire. This recipe I'm following, I didn't have to add that white egusi, something like there's that thing that is white and it's like a stone that is used in cooking egusi. I don't know the name. I really don't know the name. I can't remember the name, Shabo. You know what I mean, but like that white thing, if you're cooking, I think it helps to make the egusi thick or something like that, Sha. But this recipe I'm following, the way I'm hyping this recipe as if they paid me, but this recipe is really nice. I've tasted it before and it was on point. That's why I'm sharing. So you don't have to add that white thing they usually grind together with egusi. You don't have to add ogiri, yeah, that black castor bean oil, castor bean or something, ogiri shine Igbo you call it ogiri. You don't have to add it. And then the vegetables you add is ugu and uziza. That's what I'm using, and the uziza gives it a heavenly taste. Like, oh my god, I didn't know you could add uziza to egusi soup. I've never been a fan of egusi, so I've never been curious about egusi soup. But since I came across this recipe, I decided to share because the recipe is really nice. Yeah, let me just you guys. When I went to the market, I saw, you know, in the market there's a section where they usually, in Nigerian markets, there's a section where they usually sell yam, tubers of yam. I passed that section when I went to market to buy the soup things that I need, and I saw that they not only sell just tubers of yam again, they now slice the tubers of yam. Like, you can literally come and buy just a slice of yam from them. Now I was like, wow. So, you know, curiosity now, this kind of thing I like to ask questions. So I went to one lady that was selling. I asked her, she said one like that is 300 naira, because tubers of yam now is from 1,001 to like so. But I wasn't in need of yam. The last time I went to Enugu, my mother-in-law gave us plenty of food stuff, so there are things that I don't buy anymore. But I was like, wow, that's nice. At least those that cannot afford one full tuber of yam, they can now buy slices of yam. That's why I said, let me just say, guys, I think it's time to add vegetables to my soup. You guys, the scent is already all over the place. Like, just look at this goodness. Oh god, it's really nice. They're trying to convert me to an egusi soup lover.